Hello, gentle people. So, I am at my favorite place in Florida, which is the Murakami Japanese Gardens and Museum. And I live about, well, this place is about an hour up the road from where we live. But I haven't been in over a year, and I don't think there's a week that goes by that I haven't thought about how much I missed it here. So there's a huge backstory to Murakami, which I wouldn't bother to get into here. I'll save it for another time. But yeah, it's like when I'm here, I feel like completely in my element. You literally don't even feel like you're in Florida anymore. You feel like you're in Japan. And I don't know, I figure out how to, I took some other little clips that I figure out how to get in there. But ooh, let me tell you about this. This is the, can you see it? GAL is the Guild of Art and Literature, and I actually stopped there first to drop off some artwork for an exhibit that's coming up. And since it was like about 20 minutes from here, I was like, since I'm all the way up here, I might as well come to Murakami. And my tripod was in the trunk, so everything just worked out perfectly. Oh, I might as well do a little update of the hair since it is officially week 4, and yeah, like official locks things are happening. Some of them, they're happy hanging out together, and I just kind of leave them alone. I'm washing it probably every like 2 to 3 days, and the front hair, as you can see, not much lock action going on, so I just stuck 2 pins in there to keep the hair out of my face because I hate hair in my face. Um, but yeah, and I washed it, so I'll probably just flash some water on the screen, but that is pretty much it. All right, so it is hot, and there's a very particular spot that I love that I'm trying to get to, so I will see you on the flip side. Week 4, official locks in my head. Peace.